After some years of experience, few of us feel that why not I switch to IT? A lot of people advise us saying that what's wrong with you? Why do you want to switch to IT at this point of time? You already have experience. This will damage your career. But IT equally has a very good opportunity and there is no harm to your career. If you feel that you need to switch to IT, you are not in the wrong direction for sure. Let's explore. Welcome to another video. Even if you have done your graduation in civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, still you have a lot of opportunity in the IT. Two questions coming to your mind. That how will I change? And what's my future? What will happen to my career? Let's discuss. First thing before you proceed, you should have a convincing answer on why you want to switch to IT field at this point of time. You need to build your answer with some facts. You can probably say, I would like to explore more in the IT industry, or due to some initial misguidance or situations or due to seat availability, I could not join an IT college. Or during my graduation and with my friends, I explored more about programming and IT industry and eventually became more keen on programming. The amount of global exposure I get in the IT industry is really good. So let's see what is good in IT. 1. Opportunities and job vacancies are more when compared to non-IT. There will be a lot of bulk hiring and mass hiring process. Opportunity to learn on emerging technology. Salary. You will have a better salary package in the IT when compared to non-IT. Where non-IT will take some time to build the experience and to reach that salary level. I admit that non-IT is stronger and 15 to 20 years down the line of experience. But you have to make money at the right age when you are really flexible to work. Standard work, international level, you will have a diverse working group. You will have colleagues around the globe. You will have colleagues from US, UK, Japan. It will help you for better networking, global exposure, and this will also help you if you want to try a job abroad. I'm not saying non-IT doesn't have this, but comparatively more in IT. For non-IT, you will have to join multinational companies for such exposures. So what's there in IT? In IT, there are product-based companies like Google, Microsoft, Adobe. They develop softwares and other products. There are service-based companies like TCS, Infosys, Accenture. They support these companies and they provide service to other companies. There are technical and non-technical jobs in IT. In technical, you can be a developer, but it should be clear on whether you are aiming at front-end development or back-end development or cybersecurity or software testing. You should be very specific and learn the respective languages required. Search online. And if you are not good at coding and programming, you still have opportunities at the non-technical side. You can be in business analysis, who understands the requirement from the customers and communicate this to a technical team. You can be in digital marketing. You can be in data analytics with simple Python programming. You can be a system administrator who controls the integration of systems. You can learn about IT networking and be a networking engineer. All this needs very less knowledge on programming, but you should be good in problem solving, documentation, logical thinking, and you should have good communication skills and presentation skills. If you want to stay in your domain, such as mechanical or electronics, but work for an IT service company, you can still do that. For example, Mercedes-Benz have a certain technical work with respect to purchasing or supply chain or quality, even design. They will outsource it to TCS. And TCS hires mechanical engineers to do this job. Once this project is over, a new project will come in Jaguar or any other company. To get such calls from IT service company, you need to go to your Naukri profile, go to industry type and change it to IT service and consulting. Click on the role and change the category accordingly. So how to start? You have to first pick what exactly you want in the IT industry from the categories which I mentioned. If it is technical, start learning about the languages required. Try to find some courses, online contents, and very important to get connected with someone who is working in the real-time industry. Either through your friend circle or in the LinkedIn, you should have a mentor for sure. Why? You need to ensure that whatever you're learning is in line with what's there in the industry. Try to get real-time projects from the institutes, learn from the institutes. The short-term certificates you get from the institute will not have any value, but amount of learning you had You need to discuss with your mentor and ensure that you are in the right direction. And then start preparing your resume. Review that with your mentor. You will have a lot of questions after watching this video. Please ask me those questions in the comment box. Please try to share this with your friends. Thank you.